Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to the last day in my dad's week. Happy Friday. I hope you guys had a fantastic day and you're ready for a relaxing or fun weekend. So before you go, don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe if you haven't already and leave me a comment. YouTube has changed things around, so if you want to keep seeing me, you gotta engage with me. So there you go. So today's card is absolutely no stamping. I wanted something that mirrored the mom's card with the mermaid, but I wanted to use this paper because I mean, I don't have a relationship with my father, but I always thought, like, you know, your dad is your dragon slayer. He slays the monsters in your room, those kinds of things. So I thought this would be a really cute card. So I am using the large letter framelits. Perfect investment. So are the numbers, which are retiring, sadly. So if you want those, make sure you grab those. So this is the Miss the Magic Designer Series paper, which is also retiring. This whole suite, unfortunately, is retiring. I'm going to miss it because I've enjoyed it. And I was really hoping we would get some more fun glimmer paper colors in the annual catalog. We got one new color, but it's not bright like this. It's a little bit more reserved. Okay, so I've cut out the D and the A to spell dad out of basic gray and the blue paper from the Miss the Magic glimmer paper because I wanted a bit of a drop shadow. So I'm going to adhere these together. And then we'll add them to the card. So just like that, just want a bit of a drop shadow. So I'm really sad that the numbers are retiring. I think they're very, very, very versatile. It may be the one thing that I end up keeping out of everything that retires. All right, let me see how I really want to keep this little area free. I think that's going to be our best bet, and I am going to pop these up. I'm going to use probably a mix of regular dimensionals and our minis. So let me get these on. So once again, I've probably said 42 times now. I apologize, but there's always somebody new watching. These are dimensional adhesive that came in our March paper pumpkin. Speaking of paper pumpkin, if you're interested in signing up, if you've never signed up before, you can get 50% off your first 2 months. You can sign up by following the link in the description box down below. All right, am I gonna have to just use regular small ones? Maybe. All right, I'm just gonna use small ones because. So next week will be my 10 cards, 1 kit featuring the April paper pumpkin. And then I will do a 3D on Friday. So although it already comes with a little card box, this one is going to be a challenge because we haven't had one that was so like the ones in the past. Like this is very themed, very nautical. So we'll see We'll see how we do. I guess you'll see how I do. So there'll be a couple more weeks before you see my face. Those videos are actually harder to edit, so. But when I do my paper pumpkin, I just turn on YouTube or movie and create because it takes a long time to make 10 cards. That takes a hot minute. June Mace kit is going to be really good. I've already shared a sneak peek of it. I've had a couple of people complain, a couple of demonstrators complain that I shared a sneak peek in my Facebook group. My Facebook group is really for me to interact with my customers, not necessarily for other demonstrators. So I want to make sure that I'm sharing stuff that you may want to get. And I know several of you picked up the April kit because you saw that cute sneak peek. Alright guys, there we go. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this Dad's Week. I had fun making these cards. So yeah, so make sure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Head over to the coordinating blog post. For supplies, you will find all of that information down below. If you're on mobile, there is a small there's a small down arrow. There's a small down arrow by the title of this video. You can click on that. If you are on a desktop or laptop, you can click show more, and that will show you everything that you need to know. Make sure you get signed up for Paper Pumpkin before the 10th of May. And yeah, that's it guys. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.